I'm going to be talking about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So, we're starting off with the sun and this green organelle and this orange thing that's also an organelle. So the sun gives energy to this green thing, and the green thing makes something that it gives to this orange organelle. And the orange organelle does the same thing and gives it to the green organelle. So then this orange organelle gives off energy, some energies here. So the sun gives sunlight energy to the chloroplast, and the chloroplast makes something that the orange thing, which is called the mitochondrion, uses, and it releases ATP energy. So a chemical reaction is happening in the chloroplast and in the mitochondrion. So this chemical reaction that is happening is photosynthesis in the chloroplast and cellular respiration in the mitochondrion. So the chloroplast contains something called chlorophyll, which is also just green pigments. So when the sun gives it sunlight energy, food is being made, and this food is sugar or glucose. So you could write glucose out as this is one molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen are being given to the mitochondrion, and the mitochondrion is changing that glucose and oxygen into 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. So it gives it to the chloroplast. And then the molecules are being produced by photosynthesis. So this is being created by the chloroplast and the chemical reaction called photosynthesis. And as well are these molecules. So the same thing is happening here. So this is being produced by cellular respiration. So these are the products of photosynthesis. So when photosynthesis happens, these molecules are made, and these molecules are made from cellular respiration. So it would be called the products of it. So these are the reactants. So they're going to react to the cellular respiration because they're being given to the mitochondrion, which is cellular respiration happening, and the same thing goes to these molecules. So these are the reactants for photosynthesis because they are being given to the chloroplast. So the molecules needed for the process of cellular respiration are these molecules right here. And so you need these molecules for photosynthesis too. So you can't do photosynthesis or cellular respiration without these molecules. So the carbon dioxide and water given from the mitochondrion here are being changed in the chloroplast into these molecules, which is 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. And in the mitochondrion, glucose and oxygen that were given here are being changed inside the mitochondrion into carbon dioxide and water, which are then given to the chloroplast again. So the energy of sunlight is being used, so you can't change it. It's being used to create these, and then you can make food, not using the sunlight energy and then just magically changing it to food. So it's being created to create the potential chemical energy of glucose molecules. So here, and the chemical energy of glucose is being converted to ATP energy, which is then released. And the existing molecules that were currently here are changing into different molecules. So the ATP energy is the release of energy that was originated from the sun. So when the sunlight energy was used and went through all the process, it's then released from the mitochondrion. So the sunlight energy is energy that the plants need. The plants can't grow or can't live without it, and animals too.